Over the years, Advantech has been a key player in the IoT industry. As a titanium partner of Intel, Advantech has been at the forefront of innovation, pushing boundaries and shaping the technological landscape. Together, we have delivered cutting-edge products to sharpen edge intelligence with a lasting impact on IoT businesses. On this momentous occasion, we look forward to the next wave of success with Advantech, building in edge computing, networking, and AI to accelerate the transformation of IoT. Get together with all ecosystem partners, learn the latest technology and Intel Edge AI solutions, and know the opportunities for future. Looking forward to a successful Advantech World Partner Conference.